Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to add product reviews to your Shopify store. Firstly, go to your Shopify admin page and click on Apps in the left menu. Click on the green Customize Your Store button to open Shopify App Store. In the Shopify App Store, search for Product Reviews in the search bar. Find the Product Reviews app by Shopify, then click on the app to open its page. Now, click the Add App button and Shopify will redirect you back to your admin panel. Click Install App, then grant the necessary permissions. To display customer reviews, follow the instructions in the app settings. Open the Product Reviews app from your Shopify admin and follow the on-screen tutorial to add the Reviews widget to your product page template. Just a tip, you may need to edit the theme code to place the review section exactly where you want. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.